Oh my goodness, you guys. I had seen this on HSN and I was like, I need to get this. It's the button press inserts, refills insert for the button press, but it's a heart shape, you guys. So I'm super just excited to try it out. And I know usually I open the box here in front of y'all, but I had already opened it, not knowing what was in there because I was expecting lotions. Anyway, what's the thing called? Auto ship I had gotten from HSN that was Cora's lotion. But either way, if this is still available, I'll have it linked in the description box. I believe it is because I just checked it out. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're purchase items to those links. And now it's available in other places. I think Scrapbook, I know Amazon, some other spots. So I'll just link different places. And of course, if you have the button press, maybe you'll find it wherever you normally get these kind of things. I did notice on Amazon, they also now have a huge bag or like package of the refills that's obviously not We Are Memory Keeper brand. And I've tried other ones that aren't We Are Memory Keeper brand, the circular shapes, and they were great. So I'll probably pick those up and then I'll review those soon too, because if this works, I'm just like super excited. And when I say if, it's because sometimes it's a little persnickety, right? So I'll grab my button press in just a second, but I'm just super excited to try this, you guys. I'm just like, can't say enough. I'm like so excited. So let's open this up. And it's so funny because it says insert, and you're thinking like insert. What they mean is this part, the part that actually does the work for you. I guess they call them inserts. But it also comes with the die, I guess you will. It's like a steel roll die. I would never put this through a machine that's takes a steel roll die because like I wouldn't want it to like bust. But that's basically what it is, because if you expose this, you'll see that metal in there, and it's basically what a steel roll die has, that metal inside. So we will check this out in just a minute. Sorry, we have our base and top. I was calling it base A and B, but it doesn't matter. It's just base and top, and of course they're going to go a specific way, especially for this one because of the shape, right? So we have that. It does come with the bundle on HSN with the 9 extra inserts. And then this one has enough to make 5 buttons just to begin with. But let's see here. So, super cute. These are a really nice size. I don't know, I thought they were going to be tiny, which obviously I should have been able to see there, but look at that. Okay, cool, cute. I don't know what I was going to say. We need that top, we need a back, and we need the... No, actually, when I say we need, you don't actually need the little acrylic piece, but if you want to, or acetate piece, should I say. You guys, I'm just like super excited over here. I always trip up on my own words anyway. I trip up on my own words. But right now it's because I just want to get to it. So let's get that. We have those pieces. I'm going to grab some paper. And generally, it seems like lighter weight paper works the best with this. But I'm going to try like a mid-weight cardstock. We'll see how it goes. A lot of times you can just take it apart if it doesn't quite work for you. So I've never really messed one up where I can't just keep reusing the item. So that's good. But what I'm going to do is grab the machine and grab some paper that I would like to make a button out of. And I'll be right back. So we have our pieces. We have this. I haven't done this in a while, but big machine here. When I swing this out, base clearly is on the bottom. And I want to see if there's a certain way. I guess it doesn't matter because you know how it goes A and then B. And then this guy is going to be on the top. And what I'm going to do is just flip it back this way so that it's where I need it to be. So I just popped it in there. Again, I left it as a sandwich because it does have definitely, a shape, right? So I just left it like that. And then we do want to pick this up. So I'm just going to let that snap in there and then go back to A. And go back to A on this one, just so that they're both the same. So right now everyone's lined up on A, okay? Another thing we're going to do is obviously cut our little heart. I haven't done this in a while, so I might have to switch that out. I don't remember exactly what we're supposed to do here. Let's see, the instructions for the heart button are the same as the instructions included with the button press, with one exception. Unlike a circle, the heart insert needs to be placed into the button press on the appropriate side, of course, with the button press logo facing you. Insert the top and base as shown. And that's pretty much what we were talking about because, it really has to be the right way or else it's not going to work for y'all. Let's see here. Top and base. Logo, button press facing this way. Yeah, perfect. And, okay, so as far as what I want to cut with this, I just brought out this paper because I don't think it's super heavy. It's Echo Park, My Favorite Christmas. And I'm going to find something in here. There's like a little Santa Claus. I don't know. Again, it's a heart shape, so it's kind of different. Oh my goodness. There's tons of... look at this little guy. How cute would that be, right? Something like that. Right? I mean, this little dude... This guy's... He's not quite where I would want him to be. To not waste paper. You know what I'm saying? Because he's going to hang off the edge and I need the whole thing. So... Look at this. That's funny. I guess it'll have to be this piece and I'm going to have to waste some of this. Oh well, bummer. But let me trim this down just a little bit and I'll be right back. Move some of these things to the side because we're going to get to it. But also, you have your little die, right? But you need the base and top from like before. So we're going to use those in just a minute, but I was just popping these in here just to show you kind of what that looked like. Let's swing this out. Let's pull that guy out. We don't need these right now. What we need is this. Again, from the original set. And then this guy, just where it has those little divot spaces, you just kind of pop them in here. And... well, I'm just gonna say like that's good right there. I don't know. Why not, right? Okay. So I'm gonna swing this back in here and we're gonna have to push this really well. Honestly, I don't even know if this is gonna be able to cut it. I hope the pressure is still enough because that's not big enough to really cover the whole thing, but hopefully the pressure will be good. Okay. Let's make sure that's on there. That's interesting. Now I'm wondering if I don't know. Okay. Haven't done that in a while, guys, and that thing just popped really loud. Sorry. We're going to push on this to make sure we're really getting that cut, at least. Trying to. Sorry. I was just trying to check without moving it. Hey. All right. Again, it covers this area, not this whole outer part where the metal is, so that worked out. Okay, there we go. And then, oh, the scariness, the scariness. Okay, let's get this guy out of here. And let's put this guy here. Again, you know, I'm just lining up like arrows. So we have that, and then we have that ability. I think that's all we're looking for, right? Let me just make sure. There, and then when we go to B, I want to make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay. And then I'll leave this on there. Okay. Let's take this other guy out. And we'll rotate this over here. Just want to make sure this is going to work out. Anyway, so I rotate over to B just so that we're able to get this magnetized. It needs to stick. If it's on A, it's not going to hold on quite yet for us. So let's rotate that back to A. This one back to A. Hopefully that's okay. Alright, now I'm going to roll this back out. Okay guys, I don't know why I'm always so scared of this, but okay, we have our pieces here. And as before, you have your top, right, the button top, so we're going to put that in here. It's going to sit there. And again, we just have this set to A and this one set to A, and they should be the same because of the way we insert it so that they're, you know, it's not like the heart's upside down over here or whatever. Then you put your little paper, and this stuff isn't super thick, but it's not very thin either, so hopefully it just works. We're going to pop that there. What's nice about that is that you don't have to care about the direction because it's a heart. So there we go. The little thin acetate, again, you can use it or don't use it, doesn't matter. Oh, you guys. So now we're going to swivel this back over here. And A are meeting up, and then I'm going to give it a good crunch, and I can hear that my son's coming down. Yes, I had to pause for that. Okay, now we're going to take this, sorry guys, and just, I'm going to bring this closer to me because I know it's harder for me to get the leverage where you guys are. But there we go, and you're just squishing it. The earlier I had to squeeze because you're trying to get that die to cut the paper. This one, it's just what it is. You don't, if you keep squeezing it more and more, it's not going to make any difference. It doesn't matter. Now when I swing this out, if you did well, your pin is gone. Now it's up here. And I've kind of shown you guys that before, but it's in there and I can see it looks good. We will see, like this area needs to crunch up into the pin base in this next part, so we'll see. So we'll put our base, and you're supposed to put it with the pin part facing down. Okay, so this blank part is facing up. You're going to move this to B, You're going to move both of them to B. So this one and this one. Okay, that one to B and that one to B. You're just matching up the arrows. It says B here. I know it's hard to see it. And then B here. Okay? And now we're going to flip this back in. And because I'm nervous, I've never done this before, I want to make sure. Okay, yeah, we're good. There it is. And then I'm going to bring this over here and give it a squish. And then that should be it. But we will see what happens, guys. Ooh, that sounds crazy bad. That's interesting. That sounds really horrible. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. Hopefully, okay, this is... Sometimes upon the reveal, the back didn't actually get into the inside, so we'll see. Oh my gosh! Is it possible that this cool shape works even better than like the regular ones? You guys, how cute. I can see it's a little bit loose here, like the way it kind of, and you heard that noise, it sounded horrible, but honestly I can probably just tuck this in if I really wanted to. Just kind of go in here and give it a tuck. Maybe not with my nails, but another little tool, but yeah. So it's a little bit loose there, but look at this. That was better than ever before, wasn't it? Oh, that is so cute. Okay, well, I'm super excited about having this. And they are about 2 1/4 inches, right? I mean, by 2 1/4? I mean, if you kind of look, I don't know. That is so fun. Oh, I am in love. Now, you can try all kinds of different things because, again, different papers work a different way. I know, obviously, you want to put photos in here. I would say print them out on your own kind of paper that's not as thick as photo paper. Some other people might recommend the photo paper still works. I just feel like that's too thick in my experience with using this guy. But, you know, it's always worth trying out. Like I said, sometimes I messed up the little mylar part. I guess they call it mylar. And I just removed it and just left it with paper because it works out just as well. Looks really cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm excited. All right, thanks for watching. I'm just glad it worked. I will definitely order the refills that I had seen on Amazon because that's worth doing. And again, you know, obviously WRMK Cubers has their own. There are 9 of them in a pack and they're 58 millimeters size, what it says. So. Alright guys, ooh yes, I'm so excited. Thank you, thanks for watching. I'll have images coming up, I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.